Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create area charts. Area charts are similar to the line charts. In case of line charts, there is a trend line created out of time series data. But in case of area charts, the entire area below the line is colored. Both line and area charts show the time series data. Time normally appears in x-axis and this time could be days. This could be months and years. There are three types of area charts. One is a normal area chart, then stacked area charts, then 100% area chart. Let us see how different they are. Let us select, insert a line chart. This is the line chart you can see. We have seen. Then let us create another area chart. Insert area chart. This is the area chart. You see the difference. Okay. So here there are two lines we are getting for comedy and thriller here, but here we are getting different areas. Blue area highlights about comedy and this is for thriller. We are getting this, but you see one problem here. The problem is that here lines are clearly visible, here both the areas are not clearly visible. Suppose why we want these areas to be highlighted. So what we can do, we can select this, means these orange colors we can select. Then we can select format data series. You can see we have fill options here. In the last sessions we have seen this axis, formatting axis. Here we are going to format series. Okay, we have fill, you can see there are different, and also borders we have. Okay, you can see this is fill and border. Suppose we want to see the solid field. Okay, you can see no fill, solid fill, okay, gradient fill. You can see these are different options we have. Also suppose we want to fill a patterns, we'll get it. Then automatic by default it is takes automatic. Let us see solid fill, let us make. So by default it is becoming blue. Let us change it to orange. It was orange. Okay, so let us change the transparency. Let us change the transparency. You can see now it is visible. Now it is visible, you can see. Okay, so this is border, no line. Suppose we do not want the line, we can also change. Suppose we do not want line, okay, line will not appear. Okay, no line. Okay, accordingly you can also get it. Now you see this is. So now we have created one line chart, now area charts. Okay, you see here comedy and thriller. There is another line that is coming. Okay, this is the common areas, and another color is also coming, that is also creating some sort of confusion. Let us see for total data. Okay, total of the data, let us see. Insert line chart. Okay, you can see here, that means total data we are here. So how many are there here? Different genres of movie, comedy, thriller, documentary, and romance. All are there. But you see, these are all overlapping. So there are three colors. Almost this documentary is not visible. What we need to do? We have to format it once again. Let us change it. Format data series. We will make it once again transparent. Okay. Let us make it transparent so that it will be visible. Okay. You can see now it is visible. This series, because there is a, let us see, let us change. Let us make it transparent. See. Now this documentary appears. Okay. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. How many genres are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But different colors are emerging, you can see. Okay. This is where when we use this area chart and we are having different dimensions like different genre of movie, like this is creating confusion because a lot of colors are also appearing and it is also confusing. Therefore it is not advisable to use this when you have two elements like comedy and thrillers. You can use this, it is good. But when you have a lot of elements like all of like comedy, thriller, document, different like 5 6 elements are there, it is not advisable to use because it will create a lot of confusions. It is creating, you see a lot of colors are coming, which color tells about what. Okay, there are some common colors are also coming, this is creating. Therefore it is advisable, what is more important, you can use stacked area charts. Let us see. Insert line. This is the line chart, line or area chart. This is the stacked one. What this stacked one tells about, you can see the axis, y axis. You see here it is 50,000. Okay, here it is 85, close to 85,000 is there. Why this is happening? Because the data is stacked on top of each other here. This is happening. You can say this is maximum is, here value is, y-axis value is 60,000. Here we have 1,20,000. The reason being because data is stacked on each other. You can see the difference here. If you see comedy is in declining trend. Comedy is having a declining trend. That means now audience have changed their taste. This could be one of the reasons. Or comedy genre is not, or these are not made. Okay. So this comedy area, if you see, this is being taken by thriller and other movies. You see, thriller is having also to some extent there is also increasing trend. Here also documentary, if you see. So normally thriller and other genres they have taken this. You can interpret like this. Okay. So let us see also another chart that is called 100% stacked area charts. So let us see. So let us select this data insert. This is 100%. This is 100%. You can see. Okay. So instead of values in y-axis, we are getting percentage here. Almost starting in January, we are getting 55% ticket sale for only comedy. But whereas in the month of December, it is decreasing. Close to 30% it is becoming. Whereas for thriller, it is increasing. Okay. This percentage, this doesn't tell about values. So normally this is being used 100%. You know, this is not, when you want to get the total pictures as 100%, you can use it. Otherwise, it is not that much useful. Okay. So that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.